As you install Visual Studio Express, you can start writing Visual Basic applications. Open up the Visual Studio from going to the Start menu and search for VS Express. Hit enter and this will open up the studio. If you are opening the Visual Studio for the first time, it will ask you for the registration. Registration is free. Now let's go ahead and create an application. For that, we'll go to the File menu and select New Project. There are 3 languages that the studio supports: Visual Basic, Visual C#, and Visual C++. As we are interested in Visual Basic, there are also 2 things that you can do from here. You can write applications for Windows, or you can write unit test projects. Right now we are interested in Windows, and here are some templates like Windows Form Application, WPF or Windows Presentation Foundation Application, Console Application, Class Library, and an empty project. For now, we are going to create the console application. Select this. Now, take a look here. This is the location where the project files will be saved. Click on Browse and choose whichever directory you want to choose. Then here, the name of our application will go. Right now, as we are just testing, this name is fine. Click OK, and Visual Studio will create the project for us. As you can see, we are into this code view, but the text is smaller. So let's make it bigger. Hold the Control key from your keyboard and use the scroll up from your mouse. Adjust the size and then we are good to go. Now here is the module. Its name is module 1 and we have a subroutine in that module. It is named main. So this main subroutine will run whenever we execute the program. Remember, main will be the first subroutine that will run when you execute any program. So let's write a program that prints Hello World on the console window. For that, we will go and type console. See, as we type, the Visual Studio is giving us suggestion. From here, you can use your keyboard up and down arrow key to select. I'm selecting console and it is giving me some tooltip. After I select the one I want to write, I'll just press the tab key and it will complete it. Then we are accessing the method of this console, so we will type a dot, and as you can see, Visual Studio is giving us suggestion the second time. I'll just move the up and down arrow key to select the appropriate and then press tab key. Write line is a method, so I'll start the opening bracket, and as I do that, it suggests that we have 18 overrides of this method. Don't be confused. These are just 18 ways that we can use this write line method. You can click on this and there will be a little description for each of that method. Right now, we will leave it as it is, and in double quotation, we'll write Hello World. We'll save the file, and from here, we will click Start. The application executed and it's gone. But we couldn't see the console window. For that, go to Debug and click Start without debugging. And here is the window. This is our console and this is the text that we have given as an input. Now press any key to continue and the window will go. So this is how easy it is to write a program in Visual Studio for the Visual Basic programming language.